going to take the temperature of this dog.
This is Chihuahua?
I put lube on the thermometer.
Stay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Her temperature is 100.2 degrees Fahrenheit. To take the pulse of this dog, I feel in between their medial hind leg and count for 15 seconds.
I have your non-regulator out here because I'm sure you're going to start with your dental first. And then whatever you want to do in there, I'll just hook up. But everything is set up and ready. Problem with Winston is he is very aggressive. And I'm not doing, oh, sorry.
I got 27 beats per minute, which I would multiply by 4 to get her pulse rate.
She's been very lethargic.
To take the respiration of this dog, I'm going to count how many times
Yeah.
she
So that's fine.
expires, and multiply that by 4
the dog needs
to get
something
her
sooner,
respiration rate.
because it's like imminent death, then
Yeah.
she needs to go to the SBCO.
Alright, you put her in on 4? Okay.
I got 20, which I will multiply by 4 to get her full respiration rate.
And
Next, I'm going to also take the heart and lungs of this dog for any abnormalities.
last night I drank a little bit. Made sure to tell Valerie that she is completely broke and she doesn't have any money till when? Next week? The first.
I don't
So
hear any crackles or murmurs, so she seems to be within
I
normal
have
limits.
a sick appointment, you know.